3D printing in medicine. Revolutionizing healthcare. 3D printing technology has revolutionized many industries, and the healthcare sector is no exception. The medical field has rapidly embraced 3D printing as a tool for creating custom implants, prosthetics, surgical instruments, and even human organs. In this article, we will explore the benefits and potential of 3D printing in medicine, as well as some of the challenges and limitations.
Benefits of 3D printing in medicine. 1. Customization. One of the biggest advantages of 3D printing in medicine is the ability to create customized products that fit the specific needs of each patient. For example, prosthetics and implants can be designed and manufactured to match the exact shape and size of a patient's body, leading to improved comfort and better outcomes. 2. Reduced surgical time. 3D printing can also be used to create surgical models and guides, allowing doctors to plan and practice complex procedures in advance. This leads to faster and more accurate surgeries, reducing the risk of complications and improving patient outcomes. 3. Cost-effective. 3D printing can significantly reduce the cost of producing medical products. For example, the cost of producing a prosthetic limb using 3D printing is significantly lower than traditional methods. Additionally, 3D printing enables the production of low-cost prosthetics for people in developing countries who might not otherwise have access to these devices. For better access to healthcare, 3D printing technology has the potential to bring healthcare services to remote and underserved areas. For example, 3D printed medical products can be manufactured locally, reducing the need for transportation and distribution. Potential of 3D printing in medicine. 1. Organ printing. One of the most exciting potential applications of 3D printing in medicine is the creation of functional human organs. While this technology is still in its early stages, researchers are making progress in creating functional organ prototypes and testing their potential for transplantation. 2. Tissue engineering. 3D printing can also be used to create functional tissue constructs for use in research and drug development. This technology has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of disease and the development of new treatments. 3. Drug development. 3D printing can also be used to create customized dosages and formulations of medications. This has the potential to improve the accuracy and effectiveness of drug treatments, as well as reduce waste and increase patient safety. Challenges and limitations of 3D printing in medicine. 1. Regulation. One of the biggest challenges facing 3D printing in medicine is regulation. Medical devices and drugs must meet strict standards for safety and efficacy, and the regulatory process for 3D printed products can be complex and time-consuming. 2. Material properties. The materials used in 3D printing must have the necessary mechanical, chemical, and biological properties to meet the demands of the medical industry. Researchers are still working to develop new materials and improve existing ones to meet these needs. 3. Quality control. Ensuring the quality and reliability of 3D printed medical products is a major challenge. The technology is still relatively new, and there is a need for rigorous testing and quality control procedures to ensure the safety and efficacy of these products. Conclusion. 3D printing technology has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, bringing new and innovative solutions to a range of medical challenges. From creating customized implants and prosthetics to printing functional human organs, the possibilities of 3D printing in medicine are virtually limitless. However, there are also challenges and limitations that must be addressed before this technology can be fully embraced by the medical community. As the field continues to advance, it will be exciting to see the new and innovative applications of 3D printing in medicine. Join the community now and never miss a video. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube today and be a part of the journey. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a beat. Your support means everything to us, so don't wait any longer. Subscribe now.